Hello my friends, here we go, new video. This will be a short one. I tried to start one PS2 console, and after putting the disc I realized that the laser unit don't move, and I open it. Here's the laser unit. I didn't hear any sounds from optical drive reader. Any sounds. And after closer look up, you see this? Oh, it's too close. See this? Some dirt, some, I don't know what is this. Directly on laser lens. And here you can see clearly. Okay, you see? This is I put from here, and I really don't know, is this the scratches or just camera imperfections, or I don't know. But after this cleaning I put everything back, and the laser starts to read discs, original discs, and that's it. Nothing else. If you have some PS2 or maybe similar console and you don't hear any sounds of laser moving, that's characteristic zip 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 zip, you can open the console and try to clean the laser lens. So there is so many videos about opening the PS2, every consoles, but in this case PS2, so I don't want to record the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click like. If you want to support my work, please subscribe on my channel, and see you on some next video. Bye bye.